Hi guys, Nick Miller today from Marks Supply Company. Today I'm going to have for you a 2019 New Holland L220 rubber tired skid steer loader. This loader came out of a package of stuff out of a guy downsized his business. Just listed a tractor that he had yesterday. Very nice machine. It is all original. We painted nothing, didn't touch anything up. I left it 100% original. The decals are original. Comes with an OEM 72-inch New Holland bucket with a bolt-on cutting edge. It's in beautiful shape. I didn't paint it. This machine for an L220 is very, very well equipped. Was not a farm machine. He had a small construction business, just one guy. Primarily used it to grade stone. Very clean. It's not something that was into salt, wasn't into cow crap, which a lot of the New Holland machines you'll see come off of farms. 67 horsepower, I think these are 2,200 pound of lift, 4-cylinder turbo diesel. But this thing's equipped very well. So it's cab, heat, air, pilot controls or joysticks, power quick attach or hydraulic mount plate, as New Holland refers to that. AM/FM radio, heated air ride seat, auto level feature, 2-speed travel. It has ride control on it. So it actually has a feature in there. You push a button and it allows your boom to float. It has what New Holland references to a road package. So it has turn signals and 4-ways on it. It's just a very nice, straight, clean machine. I did run the serial number verified as a 2019 year model machine. Like I said, very, very clean. We went right over to our local New Holland dealer, 4C's Ag and Industrial. I picked up, they actually sold it new, but I picked up a whole filter kit. We changed all the filters and oils in it. Very, very good running, working machine. It has Galaxy 12-16-5 rubber on it that all match. Just a very nice, clean skid loader. We're going to start you back here in the engine bay and take you completely around this machine. The back of the machine tells a lot about a skid loader. The back grill is not caved in. None of these louvers or fins are bent. The top plastic here is not smashed. The top hood here is not smashed. We'll kind of walk you around this. The only thing I can say in the cold weather, that gas shock isn't holding up like it will. There it is. So we rode on all of our filters at 1,209 hours. We did a full service. The hydraulic, fuel, engine oil. There's a fuel filter back here in the door. Air filters. Everything there has been changed. Again, that's powered by a 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. I think they call those an ISM. Very good running, working engine. No abnormal smoke, noise, blow-by, anything of that nature. Hydraulic oil level is full. You're going to have your charge air cooler here, your radiator, and hydraulic cooler all in the back door. All the lights work. Is a lockable engine bay. Side cover is not smashed up. There's some scuffs. You can see the gray paint is beautiful shape. Very, very nice. Again, I left the bucket paint all original. There is a little wee bit of concrete spatter left in that bucket. Heading up front, again, hydraulic mount plate. Auxiliary hydraulics with case drain. 14-pin attachment control devices on it. And you can really see the front of the machine, how nice and clean the paint really is. The cab is nice and square up top. It does have the corner light marker, the corner headlights. I know that was an option. Cab door is beautiful and straight. Opens nice. Gas strut there is good. Door seal is good. Heading inside, has that later model New Holland cloth seat in it, suspension seat with air ride and heat. I'm going to hop in here real quick. Shut the cab door. So we'll turn the dash on here. 1,210 hours. We have no error codes coming up. I'll go ahead and release it. That way you can see got no error codes. This does have H pattern in it and or ISO. Over here's your auto level. You got your 4-ways. You're going to have your beacon light if you would choose to put it on. You have your 2-speed in and out, which is off of that switch. I'm going to shut the radio off because I don't hold the rights to the music. Power bob attach. You got your cab, heat, air all up here. Dome light works. You got your foot throttle down here, hand throttle up here. Gonna have your float position, and then back here on the back side, that's gonna be your ride control button. Really nice feature this machine has. Rear view mirror, all the glasses in the cab. Just a really nice, solid, clean skid loader. I'm going to give this back to Ben. I'm going to fire this machine back up. I'm going to run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to. Please understand, we went through and serviced this machine. And this machine has a lot of options on it you don't see. So the guy did order this and spec it very nice. All those options, in my opinion, add value to the machine compared to some of the stuff out there I'm seeing on the internet that have 2,000 plus hours and no options. We're going to run around here for you, show you does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. So, a lot of you guys, there's a lot of guys out there that are New Holland or Case guys. Good machine. They do have that super boom. Machines will lift. Again, this is a joystick machine. Machine again starts, runs, and works very well. It is smooth. I kind of like the machine. It really handles nice. Some of these early ones I didn't care for. 13s, 14s with the joystick. I thought they were a little jerky. This is actually really refined, really smooth. I think they've done some updating there. I'll throw the auto level feature on, and there it's going to auto level the bucket up. Shut that feature back off. Allow me, I've got all the cab lights on now with the four ways. I'm in single speed. Counter rotate the tires. And I'm just using my foot throttle here at the moment. What I like about using a foot throttle, I can kind of manipulate what things are doing. That was 2-speed. I'm back to single reverse. 2-speed reverse. So, let me back drag here a second. And then I'm going to show you about that ride control. Now, where ride control really shines, if you've got a lot of stone you're going to carry, or if you are carrying bales out of a field and you got a rough field, now let's face it, it'll beat your guts out. You can put your ride control on, and what that's going to do, it's going to allow that boom to float. So watch right now. If you guys can see that, that boom is floating. Now I'm going to take and shut that off. Now the boom doesn't do that. So that's a really, really nice feature to have on a skid loader. So let's go ahead now. I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to reach up, I'm going to hit my unlock. We'll go back here. This actually has a hydraulic power quick attach, which works well. So you just take and run your auxiliary hydraulics lever, and that's going to unlock that. And then basically what I do when I hook back up, I go up here. I will start the hookup procedure. What I will do then is reach up, hit unlock. I will lift up. As soon as you let back off, your bucket gets back into that position and it locks. Something I always do is I do a visual up there to make sure my pins have locked in. They've dropped down. Now, we take this and we can put this into float. Right there is float by simply pushing that one button in my joystick lever, I should say on my joystick lever, and that puts us into float. Now to take that out, all I got to do is depress let off the momentary switch, I should say, and that's going to take us out of float. I don't know what part of the country everybody's watching this from or wherever, but I will say this much. I am sick of winter. I am so ready for spring, ready for warmer weather, and everybody to get to work and do what you need to do. We are gearing up for spring here. We're going through a lot of equipment. A lot of new product is coming in here. We'll have a lot to offer this spring. Different pieces of equipment, different attachments. If you're looking for attachment stuff for your skid loader, let us know. I have a lot of stuff in stock that we keep. Again, guys, very nice machine. Rear view mirror. It does have a heated air ride seat, wiper washer, all works. Hand throttle. Very nice machine, very clean, well equipped, with a lot of nice options. Has heat, air. Guys, very nice machine. And this is an all-around size machine, so you don't have any type of def on this machine. Very popular. L220, which is now called an L320, so they make a 300 series now. But a lot of guys like these, very sought after machines, very popular size machine. If you've got any questions, 814-658-3066. Please check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Please check out what we have to offer there. If you're looking for attachments for this, like grapple, forks, whatnot, let us know. Be glad to quote you a package of stuff together with it. If you need financing on the business side, we can help you out. Through our website, that is through Currency Capital. Give Mitch a call. He'll gladly help you there. On the personal side, I don't have a lot to offer you, but on the business side, we definitely can fix you up. If you guys have any questions about this machine, don't hesitate to give us a call at 814-658-3066. Again, we take this time to do these videos to show you the truth about what something is, okay? I don't take the time to do these for just our health. This is something to show somebody the machine does run and operate the way we say it does. And again, we do go through our stuff and service it, so we do know what we have. I don't want to put stuff out there that is not right. I feel that is a very, very good machine. There's no oil leaks, it's not welded, busted, and it is 100% all original paint. So guys, you got any questions? Again, 814-658-3066. As always, thanks for checking out Mark Supply Company. Have a great day.